How are you? I'm taking you to Watson's Bay. Got some other people checking out the view as well. So good. And I was just happy to show intimate side. Oh, I love the big one. Welcome to Lady Bay Nude Beach.
Hello. We finally meet.
I know.
Oh.
How are you?
Now, so let's talk a bit about you.
Well, my name's Kris, also known as like Kris Twink Daddy. I'm Australian, but I have German heritage, so I guess you could call me like a German Aussie. So yeah, my grandma, or known as Oma in German, migrated over here and married an Australian man. But I feel like there's a lot of multicultural in Australia. Everyone has some form of like heritage here, which is really nice.
Where are you taking me to today?
Okay, so I am taking you to a special place that I love. It's like my little like sanctuary, my little escape from the world. It's called Watson's Bay. It's like very exclusive area. For me, I've got my favorite seafood takeaway place there called Doyle's. It's like on the wharf. There's also a lovely hotel there called Watson's Bay Hotel. They make beautiful cocktails and lovely environment, like right on the water, and you got all the parklands. Also, there's the army barracks there as well. So it was originally set up to like protect Sydney Harbour, which I'll show you some of that a little bit later once we get there. Also, there is a nude beach there, which I personally do love to go to. It's actually one of my favorites. It's called Lady Jane Nude Beach. I love going to the nude beach. It's so nice to be like free and naked. It is beautiful in every possible way.
Okay, we just parked.
That is Watson's Bay Hotel there. You can stay there overnight or dinner, drinks. But I want to take you to the lookout.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, this way. So we are in Watson's Bay. Welcome to the Gap Park. 1887 this was first established. So this is like original Sydney here. We'll have a look at the view up here. It's like spectacular.
The most important thing, the view.
100%. A nice clear day as well. We got some other people checking out the view as well. So the other side of the harbour is where the harbour bridge and opera house is and all that. You can probably see just the top of the harbour bridge out there, and that's the main CBD. We are just out of the city. So this anchor, it's over 500 years old. Unfortunately, it's from a shipwreck, the Dunbar. There's like 122 people on it. Only 3 survived, unfortunately. But yeah, this was actually found in 1857, very close by. So we're at a higher point here. You can sort of get a glimpse of maybe North Sydney over there. Now we can keep walking further, but it's going to go for probably another 2 kilometers or so. So I think we should head down to the wharf.
Sure, let's go.
We can walk down to the wharf. So the ferry has just arrived. You can tell by all the people. But we're going to like eat at the famous Doyle's seafood takeaway restaurant. We're going to have some beautiful Sydney rock oysters and maybe a glass of white wine. Why do we have oysters? Well, oysters are going to help for later on. Make the mood a lot better for later on.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, it's ready. Look at this.
Oh, okay. Now you have to present the food.
We have calamari, my favorite. Oysters.
Oh, look nice, yeah.
These are going to be so good.
Okay, let's dig in.
Please. This is so delicious. Sort of need the fork to help get it out, but so fresh.
I can really see you enjoying that.
So good. I'm going to be at my peak performance tonight.
Anything special about this place?
Okay, this place originally started 140 years ago. They've had lots of practice at getting it right, and it's probably some of like the freshest seafood you can get in Sydney. And like, look at the view. It's just incredible. You can have fish and chips, you can sit in their dining area on the wharf. If you want to spend some big money, you can eat at their restaurant, which is just over there. That's where it all started. It's very like simple sort of seafood, but so delicious.
How is it like to be an olive creator here in Australia?
Look, I started in 2022. For me, it's fine. Like, I do show my face and I'm not shy about that. Maybe a personal thing there, not everyone does that. I just didn't care, and I was just happy to show that side of me and that intimate side of me as well. I like it. The people I've met and like all the wonderful collabs I've done, in a way, it's like creating art. For me, it's not necessarily about like making money. It's about like the beautiful thing of making content.
Like we are doing today.
Like what we're gonna do today, yes. We're gonna make some beautiful content after this lovely day out.
Have any people like found out?
Yes, it has happened, but it hasn't been a negative experience. So it hasn't like impacted me in a bad way. Like, I guess there has been times where it's not necessarily people I know, but you know, you do get the odd person that will send a negative message, or what I call, they might be haters. They could be jealous or, you know, be insecure within themselves. But the best thing to do with those type of people is just to ignore them and don't give them attention of the day. Because most of the time they're hiding behind a blank profile or a fake image. If you want to start it, just try. Just try it and do something. Get inspiration from others and then see what you can do. And if you put the effort, the time and the energy into it, you'll eventually gain a result. And patience, you gotta be patient. Patient with everything. As long as you put the continuous effort, you will eventually achieve a result. I'm gonna take you to the nude beach.
And the sun is so nice now.
Yeah, oh, I can feel it. It's like to take it off besides your compliments. So you can catch the ferry from there, and if you head north from the wharf, it's about a 10-minute walk, and that will get you to the nude beach where you can take it all off. Let's go. And you got the view all over like Sydney CBD. Absolutely stunning. Honestly, we've sort of picked the best time of day. We're probably gonna be able to see the sunset on the beach. It's gonna be so romantic, yes. You got me in the mood after all those oysters. Okay, so we have made it to the start of Sydney Harbour National Park. Just beyond there, you'll be able to see the water and the beach. And we're going to go for a walk past the old army barracks. Come with me this way. Okay, so this is like the first beach you approach. It is a normal beach. Clothing is compulsory here, or swimwear anyway. But you've got the beautiful view out to Sydney Harbour. It's quite a low tide right now. It's quite shallow. Anyone not very good at swimming, this is probably a great beach to cool off in. Hopefully I don't sound too much like a tour guide. I'm gonna show you a little secret spot here in a sec. This is where they would actually like roll the cannons up. They would get the gun. Let me put that down. And they're looking for anyone invading. If you could probably see through that as well. But they would get the big cannons and wheel them up here. But I'm going to show you a place where you can fire your own cannon. Not really, I meant that in a sexual way, but we got to go down in this. It's a bit dangerous. Okay, here's some more like secret hidden spots. More like shooting ranges, but there is a secret tunnel over there, which I am going to like bravely jump across that rock. But this one is a bit more accessible. Oh, wow, this is a big one.
Do you like to ride a big one?
Oh, I love the big ones. I think this one might be a little bit too big for me. People do come here at night for like naughty stuff. Another little secret shooting hole. It's literally protecting the coastline there from anyone trying to invade. But nowadays, it's a little secret spot where people might get up to mischief too once the sun goes down. Okay, we finally made it. Ha! Welcome to Lady Bay Nude Beach. Okay, you ready to come on down?
How's your cocktail?
Oh, it is. It's so refreshing after a day on the beach.
Oh.
It's really good, delicious. It's one of my favorite places to finish the day off, especially a good company.
Oh.
It's almost done. Very enjoyable, but I think we should go back to the hotel.
Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more adventures and tell me in the comments who should I ask out for the first date next. Follow our socials for more content, links below. Bye bye!